Okay, we're going to be subtracting a number from another number and learning how we take instead of borrow. I say we take because when you borrow something, you give it back. But we're not giving it back. So we're taking it, essentially. So let's start with the number, let's say 500. Oops. Let's say 532. And we're going to take away 297. Again, in expanded form, 532 means that there's a 5 in the hundreds place, so the value is 500. Add that to the digit in the tens place, which is a 3, which the value of that number is 30. And then add it to the digit 2, which is in the ones place, which is 2. When you add all these up together, you get 532. Now, let's take this number, 297. The digit 2 is in the hundreds place, so its value is 200. Then we take the next least digit, which is a 9, which is in the tens place. So the value of the 9 is 90. And we add it to the digit in the ones place, which is the 7. And if you add up all these digits, 200 plus 90 plus 7 is 297. Now, let's put a subtraction sign here so we know we are subtracting these. So, when we look at the first one, we cannot take 7 from 2, no matter which way we go. So that means we're going to take a set of 10 from 30, the top number. So when we do that, what's 30 minus 10? 30 minus 10 is 20, right? Now, that 10 that we took is floating. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it and add it to the 2. What is 10 plus 2? 10 plus 2 is 12. So, let me get my eraser out. 10 plus 2 is 12. Now the shortcut, which is what you guys have been taught, we got to take a set of 10 from 3. What's 3 minus 1? It's 2. And we add that one set of 10 to 2. What's 10 plus 2? That's 12. So now we can subtract. What's 12 minus 7? Or 7 take away from 12. It is 5. 7 take away from 12, or 12 minus 7 is 5. Now let's go to the next one. We can't take 9 from 2 in the tens place. The value of the 2 is 20. The value of the 9 is 90. We still can't take 90 from 20. So we have to take from 500. And we have to take a set of 100. So what's 500 minus 100? That would be 400. Now, here's that 100 that we took. But what are we going to do with it? We are going to add it to who needs it? To the 20. So let me get my eraser back up here. What's 100 plus 20? Well, 100 plus 20 is 100. Oops. Forgot to shrink my pencil again. Let me get it back here. It's 120. Sorry. So now we can take 90 from 120. What's 90 from 120? Well, that's 30. Now over here on the shortcut way, we can't take 9 from 2, or 2 minus 9. So we have to take one set of 100 in the hundreds place. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now, we take that one set of 10, and 10 plus 2 is 12. We just put a 1 right there. That's the abbreviation. Notice the difference. This is 120. This is just 12 because it's in the tens place. All you have to do in the tens place is add a 0. So it'd be 120. This would be 30. This would be 90. This is how it looks in the expanded form. So now 12 minus 9, or 9 take away from 12, gives you 3. Now you can take 200 from 400, or 400 minus 200 is 200. And then 4 minus 2, or 2 take away from 4 is 2. And no matter how you slice it, it's going to be 235. And that would be your answer. Now, the nice thing about math is you can always check it, especially with subtraction. You add the answer to the bottom number, 297 plus 235, and you add. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Carry the 1 to the hundreds place. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And this number should equal the top number, which it does. And that is how you take when you subtract.